today I'm coming at you with a treadmill that I purchased online. It is a 2-in-1 folding treadmill with remote control and Bluetooth speaker. It also has a 2.1 or actually a 2.25 horsepower motor that is supposed to offer quiet use. Um, and so I just wanted to bring this to you guys and show you as I open here the packaging. The packaging on this is immaculate. I am not even gonna lie. When I opened this box, I was pretty surprised. As you can see here, it has styrofoam, it has plastic, it has tape, and even as I go further into the packaging and open it up, you'll see that there's some like wood pieces inside to protect the arms from rubbing on each other while in transport. So let's go ahead and unveil this. Okay, so we have broken through the package and I'm going to lift this item out of the box all on my own with no assistance. This item assembled weighs 75 pounds. So as you can see here, I'm lifting it. It's not with complete ease, but still it's by myself. And you do have to bend a little bit to lift it out of the box. But imagine if you're planning to move this around the house yourself or on your porch, it's easy. It's not a huge ordeal. It does come with 2 wheels on the bottom that allows you to push it, so that will also assist you if you're going like a longer distance rather than just a lift and move. You can actually wheel this to the location that you want to have it in. But it was pretty easy, guys. Come on, you got to admit that. Instruction manual. You're going to get your handlebars, the phone bracket, you're going to get the power cord, you're going to get the bolts to go ahead and affix the left and right arm, and also to fix the phone bracket. There is a safety lock in here as well, the remote control. You're going to get the lubricating oil for the belt. It comes with the socket wrench and another wrench, and that's basically it. Pretty easy, simple. Page 9 and 10 are going to be for your installation of the parts that came. Very simple, very easy. Follow the instructions. On the side of the folding bar, you will find a folding handle that you will pull outward, and that would enable you to move the folding handle. As you can see here, it allows me to raise it up now, and then once you raise it up, you will just lock that folding handle back in place to make sure that the folding bar is going to be stable. I'm reading the instructions as I'm doing so, and I locked it in place. There are the 2 wood pieces that I mentioned that were placed into the packaging to make sure that the bar does not rub on itself. remove this rust mark that I found on here. Not a big deal. I just want to show that you can remove these rubber sockets and install the handles onto the bar. I'm actually not going to install the handles onto the bar because I want to be able to fold the bar down and either work out that way or be able to store it away without having to go ahead and remove the handles each time. Now this is a very important part to this treadmill. Without it, the treadmill does not work. This is the safety lock. It is supposed to be positioned under the beam of the riser/bar. Without it, treadmill does not work. So another important part to this treadmill is to read the instructions. I can't stress that enough. Read the instructions. Watch me go crazy for a little bit, just trying to figure out why I wasn't able to just walk on this treadmill, press the remote power button, and go. I mean, I thought for a second that there was something wrong with this treadmill and I was going to have to send it back. So watch the smoke coming out of my head and the wheels turn in my head while I try to figure this out. Turn on the power and hold the remote control and aim it at the display window of the treadmill for 10 seconds. After that, unplug the treadmill security lock. Press the power button on the remote control for 3 seconds. You'll hear a sound. This indicates that the remote control and the treadmill have been successfully paired. Return the security lock, and now you're ready to go. clip, I wanted to show that a man who is 6'1" and 210 pounds can get on this treadmill and walk just fine. He also even runs on this treadmill as well with no issues. Although the running surface is only 40 by 16 inches, it still works fine just for him. And so if you're interested in getting a treadmill, you can get something that's smaller and convenient, and it should work for you as well. Well guys, this is the end of the video. If you have any questions that I might not have been more informative about in this video, then just put them down in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.